applies to this. It really freaking does. Why don't you think about that for a second? I'm just so angry. You know, I see some of the social media contact that I get from people continuing to call it a hoax, etc. And I want to address that for a second. Then we'll talk about the Mount Rushmore 4th of July celebration. We have some audio to get to on that, and it's just a packed show. You know how it is. I got 10 hours of material, only 3 hours a day to do it. And, of course, your calls are welcome at 800-801-8999. 800-801-8999. It's common sense. It's making sure you don't pack hundreds of people into a location where they're not wearing masks, where they're talking. And there is research out there, by the way, that just talking in, let's say, a bar setting, that people packed in a bar talking at normal levels or at an elevated level because of loud music playing, that the spittle, the moisture, which could be infected with the virus, coming out of your